Hey everybody, Matt here from Wheels Through Time. We just shut down for the 2021 season. Been an incredible year here at Wheels Through Time. Wanted to thank all of you guys for making our year so special. I'm standing right here with our 1948 Harley-Davidson Panhead, the 2021 Wheels Through Time raffle bike, won by, as you guys might know from the live stream, Todd Campbell from Ohio. Todd's gonna be here in just a couple minutes. We're gonna introduce him to his brand new motorcycle. Todd, what's happening, man? All right, man, I like your shirt. You ready to meet your new bike?
Oh my God, I've been waiting. I've been to Colorado, I almost canceled my hiking trip.
Too cool, man. So there it is, the 48 Panhead. What do you think? Speechless. It's a great running bike too. We got about 500 break-in miles on it. You know, I just did an oil change maybe about a month ago. It's probably got 30 minutes of run time on the oil change. Yeah, shaking down, ready to go. So we'll pull this thing right out and go blast around. You want to do it now?
Sure.
All right, cool, man. Let's roll it out. Here, hop around there. So other side, you got to tip it over pretty good to get the kickstand up. So, yeah. So and then, yep. Let me get this out of your way here.
Way how light it is.
It is light, and the cool thing about the 48s is they kind of perfected all the rake in the trail on this. In 47, they come out with a offset front end, a little more rake on the frame, so the way that they track is completely different than one of the earlier bikes. It's really stable going down the road, and yeah, just a ton of fun to ride. So here, come on and roll it out here, and we'll get this thing fired up, and yeah, let's roll it down to the bottom. It'd probably be a better place to start. But yeah, this thing starts like a champ every time too. 74 inches, little bit of spark retard, and it'll fire right up, and it doesn't kick you back or anything like that. So
That's one thing I gotta learn all that.
it's really nothing to it. We got pretty easy technique. You know, you turn the fuel on, choke on, 3 prime kicks, choke off, ignition, and then 1 to go. So it really doesn't take much to do it at all. All right. Yep, there you go. So fuel on, the way we do it is, this is just a plunger style shut off. So it's a rod that goes through the tank. Unscrew it is on, up is reserve. I always put it on reserve all the time anyway, because you never know. Choke's right down here. So choke is down, kick it 3 times, pull the choke off, and then key on, and usually 1 to go. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah, try it.
Cool, man. No pressure, dude. Don't worry about it one bit, too. It's so here you got fuel's on, choke down. Give it 3, and actually let's start with the spark advance retard too. What you're doing when you advance retard is you're moving the distributor back and retarding the timing just a little bit, and it makes that spark happen just a little bit later. So you're always pinned normally when you're riding. When you're starting it, you back off just a little bit. So it's really nothing to it. So yeah, so all the way forward when you're riding, you back it. And the way I always like to do it to start it is I back it off all the way, and while I'm looking over there, I pull it a little bit back. You know, so, and you'll find your combo. So I just have my own way of doing it, and you'll end up finding your own way of doing it too. So yeah, choke's on. You can probably give it 3 prime kicks. Yep. It's a little bit different of a kick than a dirt bike too. Yeah, you give it a good, you'll feel that compression. Yep. 1, 2, give it 1 more. And you can almost hear the fuel down there in the carburetor. Choke off, key on. And as you kick it, you'll just roll on just a little bit. Ooh, you're right there. All right, whenever that happens, keep on going. What you do is you just 3 more chokes. Yep. All right, and then give it a good swift kick. A little more throttle. Yep. Bingo. There you are, man. Yep. So then right now it's retarded. You'll hear the difference. It's like almost like the idle picks up a little bit. they call a safety clutch. So it's a rocker, heel toe action, simple as it gets. You put your heel down all the way, shift it into first gear, and you ease into the toe just a little bit. Now the reason they call it a safety clutch is at any point you can pop that heel down and it stays down. It's like having a clutch lock up there on a new bike. You know, so anytime you get in a pinch, you start any number of reasons, you know. You can heel that thing down, put your brakes on, and you're in neutral right now. You could probably put it in gear right now, and you'll be sitting there, both feet on the ground, both hands up, in first gear. Yeah. Now, long stoplight, I like to find neutral, just cause then you're not working on your clutch throwout bearing and stuff like that. But for the most part, that'll last forever. It's an industrial throwout bearing they used all the way, I think, into the late 70s. So yeah, super solid, easy to do. You can probably shift that thing back into first gear. Yep. If it doesn't want to go right in, you just rock the bike a little bit. Yep, bingo. Come to full advance over here. Yep, you're already there. And then you just ease into that toe, man, and you're set. And then when you want to stop, slow down, just heel it down, man. You're in a safe spot, safe zone, and nothing to do. You can go all the way around the building if you want. Yeah. Real easy. You hardly need any throttle if you do it slow enough, but you bring the idle up a little bit and you take off real smooth. There he goes. Ah! Like a pro. He's a natural. All right. 2021 Raffle winner. We're going to get him making laps, putting on miles in no time. They're going to be down here hanging out for a couple days. Exciting stuff. Always really neat when they jump right on it and take to it like they've been doing it their whole life. So he's going to come back around here in just a couple minutes, and who knows, maybe we'll put a helmet on and see him go down the road. Thanks for joining in, guys. 2021 Wheels Through Time Raffle. It's one of the things that keeps us going. Remember, you guys help fuel the museum that runs. If you get a chance, check out the live stream on the drawing. It was a heck of a day. If you get a chance, also check out our 2022 raffle bike. It's a 37 knucklehead, incredible machine, finished off in Delphine blue, teak red, edged in gold. Built it right here in the Wheels Through Time restoration shop. We're already selling tickets. We'll see you again soon, guys. Thanks a ton.